Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updated Samsung tutorials. If you're a Samsung user and Good Lock is not available on your device, especially on phones like the Galaxy A17 5G, then this video is for you. What is Good Lock? Good Lock is an official Samsung customization suite that allows you to deeply personalize your Galaxy phone. However, the problem is that Good Lock is not available in some regions or on some devices, including certain budget models like the Galaxy A17 5G. So what's the solution? The best alternative is Find Lock. How to install and use Find Lock? Open the Google Play Store. Search for Find Lock, launcher for Good Lock. Install the app. Note: Find Lock works only on Samsung Galaxy devices because Good Lock modules are designed specifically for Samsung's One UI. After installation, open the Find Lock app. Tap on Proceed. You will see two sections: Installed, Not Installed. In the Not Installed section, you will see various Good Lock modules. How to install modules. Tap on any module listed. Click on Visit Find Lock homepage. From there, download the module, usually from Galaxy Store or a trusted source. You need to install each module separately. Important note: Find Lock is not developed by Samsung, but it works as a launcher or manager for official Good Lock modules. It helps you install and access Good Lock modules manually when the official Good Lock app is unavailable in your region. After installation, the module will automatically appear in the Installed section. You can launch and use it directly from Find Lock. So if Good Lock is not supported on your Samsung device, Find Lock is currently one of the best alternatives to access those powerful customization tools. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and updates. See you in the next one.